Here at Fraser Academy, we are establishing an executive functioning culture within our school. Now you might be thinking, what does this really mean for us as staff and for our students? Hopefully, by the end of this session, this question is answered, but even more so, this culture that we speak of is understood. As to why we are doing this, well, most of us probably already have a pretty good idea. I want you to meet Joe. Joe, like many of our students at Fraser Academy, require a little more help staying organized. Can't always seem to remember those steps needed to solve basic algebraic problems, and even more so, remember his own homework or maybe even how to do his own homework. Joe, like many of our students, will spend hours studying for a test or an exam, and when it comes the time to take it, you guessed it, he draws a blank. We all experience these students who struggle with various things and even have difficulties planning and managing even the simplest tasks. So let's take a second and think. How can we as staff help our students learn how to be organized, learn how to plan and manage upcoming tasks, remember procedures and even basic vocabulary? But most importantly, how do we as staff actually develop students who are prepared when heading into the real world? Our vision at Fraser Academy is changing destiny by changing minds. How do we as a community provide our students with enough to actually change their destiny? We already focus on the strengths of each individual student. We provide them with the strategies and the personalized learning needed to develop their full potential. But how can we do all of this and actually change the minds of our students to change their destiny? It all starts with each and every one of us being on board, being willing to work with one another, share strategies and techniques that work in our classrooms, reflect upon our current teaching practices, but most importantly, being willing to accept change for our students. This is our opportunity as a school to do more than just educate students. We have the tools and the curriculum to develop a culture that will give our students the chance to embody the vision of Fraser Academy and actually change their destiny. So this is where it all begins, with each and every one of us. So let's create an executive functioning culture that Fraser Academy is known for and can be proud of because of the success of each and every one of our students like Joe.